Last night it was real crazy rain. The thunderstorm woke me up. I think it was maybe 1 or 2 o'clock. And right now the city, everything is full with water. But the air is so clean, it's so nice. I'm going to explore a little bit the city, get to know the city a little bit better, see if maybe I can find a place. Maybe I can find a place to rent. And yeah, the city looks beautiful today. Sayulita is a little bit crowded, I think. The streets are too small, too narrow, and too much cars. But it's early right now. It's pretty early and it's pretty beautiful. I'm going to show you how it looks. So, as you can see, this is another entrance to Sayulita. This entrance is from the mountains. It's all jungle around. I've been walking from the center of town, from the beach all the way up. You can circle this town just by walking. It's really small. It's such a small place. And I found this entrance, so cars and traffic that comes from the mountain to Sayulita can enter from here all the way down. It looks very beautiful. I'm going to check it out. It's been like that. It's been really cloudy since I arrived here and raining, but it's so hot. Yeah. I mean, classic tropical weather on rainy season. And but what I like about it, that it's not hot like Puerto Escondido. So coming from Oaxaca to Nayarit, after getting used to Oaxaca heat, here I feel so nice, like I arrived to the mountains and I'm on the beach, you know. So I'm gonna explore this road. It looks like amazing road, amazing view. Go back to town. Rider coffee and I just arrived this little cute, magical coffee place next to Selena. I'm gonna put the name down below because right now I don't remember the name. I think it's Hanukkah, and I order an Americano. It's a blend of Blanc cafe. It's a Colombian cafe, and look how it comes. It comes like this. It looks very, very sexy. I'm gonna give it. Okay, the aroma is just crazy. Also the crema looks very good, and I'm gonna give it a sip. Oh, oh man! Wow, that coffee is so good. The aromas are very, very strong. It's a little bit bitter, and the body is heavy. You can feel it melting in your mouth. It's like the texture is like cacao, but it's coffee. It's very good. I'm gonna put the name of the blend. I'm gonna put the name of the blend that I tried down below, and the name of the coffee shop. I can see a few nomads working in here. It looks nice. So, guys, now it's 2 p.m. and I'm so excited because in Puerto Escondido 2 p.m. you can't breathe. It's too hot. You're melting, and now I can walk the street. I mean, it's pretty hot. It's warm, but it's not like it's burning you. The heat doesn't burn you. In Puerto Escondido, you burn and you cook to your bones. You can eat yourself after half an hour outside noontime. So crazy. Here it's almost 2. It's nice. It's sunny. Finally the sun came out. It's really good, and I'm gonna head home just to have lunch, relax a little bit, maybe for a power nap, look at the city. The city is really, really crowded and packed. There's a lot of people around here, and yeah, this city never sleeps. This city never sleeps. It's amazing. Always crowded, always full, always music, always happy. Love it. I love it.